Hi there, my amazing Life After 50 family. Welcome back to Life After 50 with Ratna Jack, where we celebrate the beauty, wisdom, and joy of life after 50. I'm Ratna, and today I'm so excited to share something truly special with you. It is a very important topic, that is secret superpowers of aging. What I have gained after 50? Yes, you heard that right. Aging isn't about losing, it's about gaining incredible strengths that make this chapter of life absolutely magical. So, grab a comfy seat, make a cup of tea, and let's dive into the superpowers I have discovered after 50 and how they can inspire you to embrace your own journey. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. So let's get started. Aging is often painted as something to fear, but let me tell you, after crossing 50, I have discovered strengths I never knew I had. These are my secret superpowers, and I bet you are unlocking some of your own too. So let's start by flipping the script on aging. Society often tells us that getting older means slowing down, losing energy, or fading into the background. But I'm here to say that's nonsense. After 50, I have found that life gets richer, fuller, and more meaningful. I have gained superpowers, yes, superpowers, that have made me stronger, wiser, and more connected to who I am. Today, I'm going to share 5 of my favorite superpowers of aging, and I'll tell you how they have transformed my life. My hope is that by the end of this video, you will feel inspired to recognize and celebrate your own superpowers, whether you are 50, 60, 70, or beyond. Let's jump into superpower number 1. Superpower number 1 is the power of wisdom. After 50 years of living, I've got a treasure chest of experiences. Some amazing, some challenging, and all of them teaching me something valuable. I used to stress about making the perfect decision, whether it was about my career, relationships, or even what to cook for dinner. But now, I trust my gut because I have been through enough to know what works and what doesn't. For example, a few years ago, I was faced with a big decision about whether to take a new job or stay in my comfort zone. In my 30s, I would have overthought it for weeks, worrying about every possible outcome. But at 50, I leaned on my wisdom. I reflected on past choices, listened to my intuition, and made a decision that felt right. And it was one of the best choices I ever made. This superpower of wisdom isn't just about making decisions. It's about understanding people, seeing the bigger picture, and knowing that most things work out in the end. It's like having an inner compass that guides you through life's ups and downs. So if you are over 50, I bet you have got this superpower too. Think about a time when your experience helped you solve a problem or support someone else. That's your wisdom at work. Superpower number 2 is the power of confidence. Oh, this one feels so good. When I was younger, I cared so much about what other people thought. I'd second guess my outfits, my words, even my dreams. But after 50, I have learned to own who I am, flaws and all. I walk into a room now and I don't need anyone's approval to feel good about myself. This confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being real. I have embraced my quirks, my laugh lines, and yes, even my gray hairs. They are like badges of honor, showing the world I have lived, loved, and learned. Last month, I decided to try something new. I signed up for a dance class. In my 20s, I would have been too shy, worried about looking silly. But now, I danced like nobody was watching and I had a blast. This superpower lets you say yes to new experiences and no to things that don't serve you. It's about knowing your worth and not letting anyone dim your shine. So tell me in the comments what's something you have done after 50 that you wouldn't have dared to do before. Let's celebrate that confidence together. Superpower number 3, the power of connection. Superpower number 3 is the power of connection. After 50, I have realized that relationships are everything. I have built deeper, more meaningful connections with family, friends, and even new people I meet. I used to think I had to do everything on my own, but now I know the strength that comes from community. For instance, I recently reconnected with an old friend from high school. We hadn't spoken in years, but we picked up right where we left off, sharing stories and laughing like teenagers. That moment reminded me how powerful it is to nurture relationships. Aging gives you the perspective to prioritize the people who matter and let go of those who don't. This superpower also means being a mentor or guide for others. I love sharing advice with younger people in my life, whether it's my kids, nieces, or even you, my YouTube family. It's like passing on a little bit of your magic. So think about the connections in your life. Who lifts you up? Who can you inspire? That's a superpower worth celebrating. Superpower number 4, the power of resilience. Superpower number 4 is the power of resilience. Life after 50 comes with its share of challenges, health changes, loss, or unexpected curveballs. But here is the thing, I have learned I'm tougher than I ever imagined. Every setback I have faced has made me stronger, like a tree that bends but doesn't break in a storm. A few years ago, I went through a tough time and I lost someone close to me. It was heartbreaking, but it taught me how to keep going, even when life feels heavy. I leaned on my routines, journaling, walking, and talking to loved ones. And slowly, I found my way back to joy. That is resilience, the ability to bounce back to find light even in the darkest moments. If you are over 50, you have probably faced your own storms. Maybe you have overcome illness, career changes, or personal loss. That strength is your superpower. It's a proof you can handle anything life throws at you. So let's honor that resilience. Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear how you have bounced back. Superpower number 5 is the power of purpose. After 50, I have found a clarity about what truly matters to me. I'm not chasing trends or trying to please everyone. Instead, I'm focused on living a life that feels meaningful. For me, that is creating this channel, sharing stories, and inspiring all of you to embrace your own journey. Starting life after 50 with Ranna Jack was a leap of faith. I wasn't sure if I could figure out the tech side or if anyone would watch. But I followed my heart, and it's been one of the most rewarding things I've ever done. This superpower of purpose pushes you to try new things, to give back, and to live with intention. Maybe your purpose is volunteering, teaching, or simply being there for your family. Whatever it is, it's your unique spark that lights up the world. So ask yourself, what's your purpose right now? What makes you excited to get out of bed? Let's talk about it in the comments. So there you have it, my 5 secret superpowers of aging. Wisdom, confidence, connection, resilience, and purpose. These aren't just things I have gained. They are gifts that keep growing with every year. And the best part, you have these superpowers too. Whether you are 50 or 80, every day is a chance to tap into your strengths and live your best life. My challenge to you is this. Pick one of these superpowers and lean into it this week. Maybe it is trusting your wisdom to make a decision, saying yes to something bold with confidence, or reaching out to reconnect with someone special. Whatever it is, embrace it and see how it transforms your day. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me which superpower resonates with you most, or share one of your own superpowers of aging. And if this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Life After 50 with Ratna Jack for tips on thriving after 50. I've got so much more to share with you. So before I go, I want to remind you that aging is not about fading away, it's about stepping into your power. You're not just getting older, you're becoming a superhero in your own story. So let's keep this conversation going. Join our Life After 50 community by subscribing and turning on notifications. I post new videos every week and I can't wait to connect with you in the next one. Also, if you want more inspiration, check out my playlist on Odyssey of the Seas. I link it below. And if you are feeling extra motivated, share this video with someone who needs a little boost. Let's spread the word that Life After 50 is full of superpowers. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.